Welcome. Today you're going to learn how to connect to your Wi-Fi or MiFi networks. You're going to begin by locating the launcher button on the left side of your keyboard. It looks like a magnifying glass or a circle with a line sticking out of it. It's located underneath the Tab key and above the Shift key. Once I locate that, I'm going to click on my launcher button and a black screen appears at the bottom. I'm going to move my cursor, which is this little arrow, and I am going to find the upside down triangle, which will let me connect to my and view the different networks that are available to me. I'm going to click on that again, and it's going to populate this box with the different networks available to me. Now I'm already connected to a network, but I want to connect to a new one. So I'm going to click on the network I want to connect to. It gives me the name of the network, and I'm going to enter in the password. Now, if I don't want the password to be viewed, I can click here. And if I want it to be viewed, I'll unclick it. Now, I might want to see my password to make sure that I've entered it in correctly. But right now, I'm going to click it so that it can't be viewed. So unclick it, so now it can't be viewed. And then I'm going to hit connect. And now we are connected to our network.